Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how to start a YouTube channel and gain views and followers. Hi, I am Shala. Many are now into YouTube, maybe because of quarantine, and everybody wants to make something worthwhile. I'm providing 7 tips on how to make a music channel. But first, please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get notified of my new videos. First is create a catchy title and related tags. Think of how to catch the attention of the viewers and let them have an interest on your posted video. Tags also help when viewers search something online, and better if your video would match up those searches. Second is have a creative thumbnail. A thumbnail that will be interesting enough for viewers to click on your video. It would make them wonder and tickle their imagination too, that they can't help but to watch and find out what is inside your video. Third is have your own intro. A beautiful introduction that is also short and will not only entertain but will make mark to your audience. It also helps them remember you. Fourth is keeping your audience within YouTube. This can be done by having cards and end screen. Next is encourage to comment, like, and subscribe. It's a YouTube algorithm that more comment and like would give a record that your video is highly recommended. And also, more views means more subscribers. Next is have your own niche. This would help audience to remember you quickly, gives consistency, and gives you an edge from other YouTubers. And lastly, practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes perfect. There's always a room for improvement. Giving your audience the best version of you will encourage viewers. And that's it for today. Be an inspirational to others and have a great day.